Hi, I'm Jasline here. I'm the tactical parenting strategist that gives valuable tips to you parents out there who wants to know your child's strengths and weaknesses so that you can unleash the potential. So now is the exam period, and then I give you 5 tips you can beat the exam stress together with your children. Okay, let's see. Tip number 1. Encourage them to have rest, relax, and revision. Meaning to say, during revision, it's always encouraging for them to take small little breaks in between, so this can be more productive when they do their revision. And tip number 2, help them plan the revision. Especially for children that could not be organizing so well, you actually help them to prepare the revision so that you can engage them to actually understand every day what topics are they going to cover. And tip number 3, keep in perspective, parents. Keep calm. Because if you feel too stressed and then you show the stress, and your child will actually feel it as well. And tip number 4, look out for stress signs. Because if your child is not eating or sleeping well, he could be suffering from exam stress. And do have a talk with your child, or you can get help from the teachers. And tip number 5, remind your children that it's important they do their best. So I hope you actually get a lot of tips from my video and you find value. And I'm going to tell you today that there is free online course that says how to raise amazing kids, and my company is giving you free for this limited period. So click on the link, or I can see this link. You can go into the link and see the free videos. So stay tuned for my next video. Goodbye.